unhappy flock. I do this with the heart. No discipline. That is the trouble with the gospels of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awfully long time.
Tommy Honk, would you prefer we fly with a shoot on the marsh? I think from my sweet this way.
Excuse me?
Keep walking, dear. Eyes front. UFO at 3 o'clock.
Excuse me, I wonder if you could help. You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who's lost his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Well, infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. I'll give him marching orders.
Very well. We are geese. Run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do us no good to, lose our way, what?
Well, dear, there was that time when we ended up in the Wayward Islands.
Windward. Dear, windward. And that was a different matter entirely. Weak thermals, strong headwinds, blown off course.
Oh, really? So how is it my sister managed to get to Fort Lauderdale then? Now, where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother, on the lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw a few ducks flying over there a few minutes ago.
Oh, if you did, it was probably the last flying mission, what?
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground air? Bing, bang, pop, pop, pop.
No?
There's a ship in the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men moves the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while the second group, with guns, shoot them back out here again.
The cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yes, you see, I went out with this cat.
His parents probably wanted to get rid of the ugly blighter.
Did you want to tell you how big this cat is?
Well, yes, she
The
did.
enemy! Nasty piece of work. Well, your wishbone as soon as we
The cat said he was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Condoms! They must be starting to shoot again. Time on the needles. I hoped it wouldn't come to this, but I have no other option. All right, at ease. Company! Fall in! I didn't